How to fix BMO Bank of Montreal app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check if app is up to date or not. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name BMO and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, clear cache with the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option of iPhone storage. In this page, you're gonna find different apps that are installed on a device. Find the app BMO, open it, click on Offload app, click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache with the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of delete app. Click on delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app BMO. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix BMO app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.